Hey everyone, it's Harry from Yo Daddy BBQ. I'm one of the guest instructors at the Weber Grill Academy Masterclass in Schaumburg, Illinois, happening in April 2020. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, classes are postponed, so we're going to be doing a virtual cook for you to show you the recipe that I'll be featuring in the class. We're going to be making you guys some Slap Your Daddy seared ahi tuna with Maui onion dressing. The Maui onion dressing has just a few ingredients. I have about 3 tablespoons of chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of some soy sauce, a little bit of vinegar, about 2 tablespoons depending on how acid your vinegar is. Just a touch of sugar, maybe about 1 tablespoon of sugar, a little bit of sesame oil, about 1 teaspoon. I like to add a little bit of cayenne pepper, make it a little bit spicy. Just a dash of cayenne pepper. That's a little bit of water, just enough to dilute the mixture. Give it a stir. Some salt and pepper to taste. And I always tell people, after you mix it, taste the final dressing, because depending on the soy sauce you're using and the kind of vinegar or acid you're using, I'm using rice vinegar here. The tartness can be adjusted to your liking. Add the salt and pepper to your liking and add the cayenne pepper to your liking. I have sashimi grade tuna here, and the trick to making a good seared ahi tuna is to marinate it overnight in oil. I have a combination of olive oil and canola oil here that I soaked overnight. This will allow the tuna to be butter soft. You want to apply some rub on it. I'm using my Yo Daddy all-purpose. Before you sear it inside the smoke fire, we're going to use a cast iron pan, get some smoke on it. It'll sear it about a minute or so on each side, where we want to get a nice char on each of the edges here. So, alright, I have a cast iron pan and I'm at about 400 degrees on the smoke fire. Give it a nice sear. Let's give it a go here. Some of that sauce. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. If you like tuna, this is a dynamite dish. The tuna is perfectly seared on the outside. It's soft and kind of tender and buttery on the inside. That ponzu sauce with the vinegar and soy sauce really helps bring out the flavor of the tuna. If you even are never had a raw fish aficionado, give this dish a try, serve it to your friends and family, and I think you'll enjoy it.